are we here today?
We are in Bonus Brothers Cafe Restaurant in Churn Park, Labrador.
Okay, that is Bonus Brothers in Churn Park. Now, audience, you remember this guy in one of my previous episodes? He came suddenly of nowhere. Remember the butcher's episode? He was there. Alhamdulillah. That is Joe. And I talked about pizza. Why? Because he does lots of pizza. Right? Now, give me an explanation about your restaurant.
Well, we've been had the restaurant for the past 17, almost 18 years, and we specialize pizza, pasta, steak, grill dishes, full Italian cuisine we have in here.
Alhamdulillah, that is true. So these guys have been, providing all type of pizza. I've tried their pizza. I loved it. So that's why I said I should make a video on this restaurant. What are you going to make for us today?
Whatever you like, I can cook for you. Pasta, steak, whatever things you like. You look at the menu, I'll cook it for you.
All right, Alhamdulillah. Okay, now we're going to start rolling. Follow me. Shall we go inside?
Yeah,
okay, come on. Hey, Assalamu alaikum. Who looks? Doesn't he look familiar? This guy appeared in one of my episodes previously. This is Afshin. Afshin? Assalamu alaikum. Nice to see you again. Huh? Hey, your episode was very popular.
Is it?
I think must be a lot of ladies running after you now. He's still available. Don't worry, he's still available. Okay, what are you doing here?
I'm just making the dough, preparing the dough for
Dough.
the delicious pizza you're gonna have here.
Oh, this for pizza?
Yes.
MashaAllah, this for pizza. MashaAllah. Good, Alhamdulillah. Okay then, I'll leave you to it.
Thank
and
you.
I'll follow Joe.
All
Okay,
right.
cameraman, come on over. Here, Joe is getting ready. Joe, what's happening? What are you going to cook?
As I said, whatever you feel like. Everything
Okay.
is here.
Why don't you do this? You recommend something that you really think is good for us. Is that what you want? Audience, let him decide for us. It's too much for me to decide. Okay? You make the decision.
Well, I can make you nice pasta if you like. That's nice and easy.
Good
Yeah.
pasta. Cameraman, do you like pasta? You really like pasta? Okay, we go for pasta then.
Sure.
Alright, good. What pasta will you call?
You have this. It's up to you. You want me to make you a nice tandoori pasta, or would you like me to make you Cajun pasta or polo?
I tell you what, tandoori pasta sounds good. Alright? Let's do tandoori pasta.
Well,
Okay,
then-
Joe, what's happening now? Can you tell me?
Basic. When you start cooking, obviously when you cook at home, you have to cook everything from the zero, from scratch.
Right.
But in here, everything is prepared, everything is ready to go.
Good.
Basically, so we have, if cameraman can come
Yeah,
in.
come in. Come
If you
on.
look at our mushroom is
Look
ready
at
cut.
that. Look
we
at
have
that
our
mushroom.
chicken cut. We have our shallots ready to go.
Alright.
So all the things ingredient you need, it's ready to go.
Okay, that's good.
So we have in this particular pasta, we have
Okay.
we have mushroom in it.
Aha.
Got shallots, or some people call them spring onion.
Alright.
It's here.
Look at that. Did you see that? That was pretty fast. I couldn't handle it.
So we add a bit of salt, bit of pepper. We
Right.
have the mushroom, shallots,
Right.
and if you like spicy food,
Look, Joe, I love spicy,
So-
but I don't know my review team. This time I got a separate, different review team, so I don't think they can have too much spice. Just a little bit.
We make it mild, just a standard. So
For the sake of it. That's it. For the sake of it. All right.
But if we was gonna make this pasta from scratch,
Yeah.
we will cook first the chicken breast first, because obviously my chicken breast is ready to go. But
Right.
if you're cooking at home, you have to cook the chicken breast first. Can you smell the aroma now?
My mouth is watering, Mike. My mouth is watering. Oh, mashallah. So this is tandoori, yeah?
That's tandoori.
Tandoori, okay. So Joe, this is the steak.
That's right.
Man, look at the steak.
Yeah.
And they pack like this, okay?
Yeah, we vacuum back and maybe each one's individually. Take them a bit tenderize this
okay.
steak. So we just tenderize it by bashing it nice and
Cameraman, do you remember I did for the noodles, instant noodles box? Instant noodles packet? Yeah. So this is different. This is
Yeah.
Okay, we are back here and now we're going to see something else. Joe, what are you doing?
I'm preparing the basis for today. So
Okay. It's all handmade. Look at that. When we came earlier, we saw Afshin making all this dough. Look at that. Now what Joe is doing is, watch what he's doing. Look.
so
He's
you-
making into a pizza base. Right.
Camera, what do you like?
What do you like, cameraman? Pepperoni? You like pepperoni, right? You like cheese? Okay. Chef, pepperoni, cheese. What else? That's
That's
it?
it, yeah.
Okay, but how much of mushroom? Does mushroom go well with the pepperoni?
Yeah, that can go well.
Okay.
So I'm gonna make one of my favorite one, which is Mediterranean chicken.
Good. Let's do it.
So we're gonna make this Mediterranean
Look
chicken.
at that. The senior chef and the junior
Junior
chef
chef.
working together hand in hand. That's
Well,
beautiful.
He's senior as well.
Oh, senior. Okay.
His junior time is gone.
Okay, good. Now, third one, I would like to try. Is that okay, boss?
Of course.
It's okay. I'm going to wash my hand. All right, I'm going to wash my hand. Are you filming me, cameraman? Good. Okay. Now, babalak. All right.
That's good. Now you pick up your tray, go further, put one.
One in the middle,
Yep.
and then spread it out.
Just spread it out
Okay.
completely.
Now that's easy peasy.
That's right.
Yeah, easy peasy. Only one scoop, or you want to put some more?
You just have to see the color. If the color is nice.
Okay, one more. I think we need one more. I think we need one more. Okay.
I've seen colors in the farm, but I'm gonna serve quickly.
Ah, look at that! Look at that! Whoa! It's fun, cameraman. It's fun. I tell you. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Mr. Cameraman,
Yeah,
we
yeah.
just gotta take a little bit of the sauce
Oh,
out.
there's too much.
Otherwise, if we put too much sauce, what
Oh.
happens is your base will become a bit soggy.
Oh.
So
Now we are learning something. We are learning something. Don't put too much sauce. Okay. It's fun for you, especially for you. Tell me what you want. Mushroom?
I wanna see quickly.
Okay, mushroom. Okay, here we go.
It's got art to it.
That's
So
right.
Now your mushroom is balanced, obviously.
That's
you need to
right.
cover the whole
Now,
organ.
watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Enough? More. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let the chef balance it. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
So
Now,
obviously we were making that Mediterranean.
Yes,
one
yes,
of my
yes.
favorites. So I used the semi-dry tomato, which
Right.
is minced up.
right.
And we use some roasted capsicum chicken.
Okay.
And we put some sliced black olives as well.
Are you listening? Watch him. Watch him. Watch him. Yes.
Black
yes.
olives as well.
Yes.
So now once this stuff is done,
Yeah.
and olives is we actually in our diet is very good for us.
Yes. Yes.
And if you regularly eat
Yes,
olives, you
yes.
don't get wrinkle.
Oh, ladies. And also men.
Yeah.
Remember that. Eat olive, no wrinkle.
Right.
See, he's not really young, but he looks young.
That's right. The balancing of things is very important.
Uh-huh.
Otherwise, one slice will have too many of something, and one slice will not enough.
Right.
So what we done is just add a bit of more capsicum, so
Uh-huh.
make it a bit nicer. So we
Okay.
will break all his pepperoni to
Yes.
pieces.
Yes, yes.
So that way, what will happen is
Yes.
then we have more all over, like evenly
Okay.
spiced up.
All right.
So now, if we look at it, we pretty much we cover a lot of spices with that much pepperonis we did have. So basically, this is Hussein Baba's pizza, but we just turn
Mashallah. Look what he did. Look
So-
at it. Beautiful, isn't it?
Nice.
So look at that. Look at that. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. All right. Okay, done. Chef, can I
It needs a bit more cheese.
a bit more cheese?
Yeah.
All right.
So you gotta put a bit.
I'm trying to
cheese.
save the shop.
It's okay. Sometimes the important is the flavor and the aroma of everything, the balance of something. So you know, like as you know, you come many years, so would like to see your many years more to come.
That's right. Inshallah. Inshallah.
So
Okay.
there it is. Today we had very good day so far, mashallah, because we had Hussein Baba and his team come in to support our business.
Alhamdulillah.
And that's his special pizza.
Okay.
We
Take
call
a-
this pizza Hussein Baba's a special pizza.
Special for the cameraman.
That's right.
After so many episodes, finally get something. Okay. All right.
Putting it there for the second time. If it's not cooked, it will get cooked, and also it will come out crispy. Look at that. Thin pizza will not bend. That's what you call thin and crispy.
Afshin, what happened to the steak? Oh, it's here.
It's coming out. It's
Come
not
here, come
ready
here.
yet. You're gonna go for the second time.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, one more. Why?
You guys through? Because you wanted well done, didn't you?
Oh.
Yeah, so that's takes.
Okay. All right. That's the
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah.
Alright, so
good.
now let's go make the sauce. So you want to make mushroom sauce. too much mushroom. Spin it. Now we can add the rest of the cream. We'll let it sit. Steak is ready. What we do, we take the juice out. Mushroom sauce.
Mushroom sauce. All right.
I'm taking over your show. You weren't here and I started explaining
Oh
myself.
my goodness, my goodness. See, everybody I invite, they want to take over the show. I don't mind.
Nah,
Yeah,
no
I want
one
them,
can do what
I
you
want
do.
them to be successful in their
No one can do what you do. No one can do what you do.
All right,
We're
good.
almost ready. I explained how we make it, but
Good,
this,
good.
you can see it's already boiling and it's almost
Okay,
ready.
where is the steak?
We got
Aha,
few
come here,
minutes
come
to
here.
go.
Come here. Look at the steak. Well done. Well done.
Yeah.
All right. Now get ready for the steak. Steak. Where are you going to place steak here?
Yeah.
All right. Good.
Dry as you can't get it dry, but
Yeah,
it's not
yeah,
burnt.
it's
So
okay.
that's
That's
what you
fine,
call
that's
well
fine.
done.
Okay. And then we
Then
have the chips here. Now we have
we're
the
gonna
steak
have the
here.
salad on the side of it.
Mmm.
Okay, you want to try the mushroom sauce before you actually serve?
Yes, yes, yes. I would love to. Yes.
Get one of the chips and dip it in.
Okay. I'm going to taste the mushrooms.
It's hot.
Ooh, everything is hot here. That means it's fresh. Fresh and hot. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Perfecto. Perfect.
Now this is gonna serve the tandoori. Our pasta is pre-made, pre-cooked. We don't cook it fully. We just leave a little bit and then we put it in the cold water.
Look at that, mashallah. What's that? Oh,
Parsley.
That's the decoration. Oregano?
Parsley.
Oh, parsley. These are parsley. The review team is waiting outside. But before it goes out, I'm going to test it first. All right, now let's do it. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Which part? Where shall I start?
Doesn't matter.
Any
They're
part,
all
okay.
cooked the same way.
Okay. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Here we go. Now, I know as a Muslim I have to use my right hand to eat. So, Bismillah. Bellissimo. Bellissimo. Beautiful. Beautiful. I like the sauce. I like the sauce. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Good, but I need spice because
You can
it
make
tastes
a
a,
more
it
spice.
tastes a little bit sweet for me. But
That's the standard.
yeah, standard. So I'll have to make spicy. So when you come next time, when you order, if you want spicier, ask them to add more chili. That's it. Alhamdulillah, the review team are waiting outside. They're really hungry, and our chefs have prepared this food. Cameraman, come take a view. Okay, look at that. We got the steak, we got the pasta, we got the salad, and we got different type of pizza. Now, let's take it in. Come on. Here we go. Ah, look at that. Look at these guys. They've been waiting. All right. Okay. Now, serve. Okay.
Wow.
All right. Alhamdulillah. Maybe we should keep the steak in the
Yeah.
ladies section. Okay. And the pasta is for trying. All right. Okay. Now the review team will review your food. Wait for the result. Okay. Alhamdulillah. Now we have a good panels. They're one of the top people in our community. If they say something, people follow. All right. Now we got starting from here. Haji Hassan goes. No need to be introduced. Everybody knows him all. Not in the Gold Coast, all of Australia. All right. How are Assalamu alaikum. Thank you for coming. Yes. And this is the Sheikh Imam of the Gold Coast Masjid. And they, of course, we can't forget young people. We need young people, you know. And this is Hamza, one of our active member in our community, and our sister Zuleika. We have known for many years, and she supports all our community, and especially this restaurant. She loves to come. Now, let them try the food. This is not for these guys. This is for my cameraman. He had been doing a good job for the last 17 episodes. I never fed him. So something to eat now. Okay, if you don't mind, can they share the food? Okay, good boy. All right, yeah, try, right.
So
Pass it around, pass it
did you
around.
make this, Baba?
I made it, yes.
Baba's
And I
kitchen.
washed my hand before I made it.
Baba's
There's the
kitchen
evidence.
at bonus, see?
Okay, yes. Hamza, take quickly. We got
Can we try?
Rashid here. Assalamu alaikum.
Can we try now?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, auntie. All right,
And let's serve it.
one piece each. Review team has just gone halfway. Haji, what do you think about the food?
Joey, how long have I known you?
More than 20 years.
And how long have you been making pizzas?
In here, 18 years almost.
18 years. Can I tell you something?
Yeah.
I ate here 15, 16 years ago, and I've been eating here every month of years, you know, right?
That's right.
That's how I keep my body right.
That's right.
But Alhamdulillah, the pizzas are getting better and better.
Alhamdulillah.
The pizzas are getting better and better.
That's good.
You know, and I think we've recommended, you know, in Ramadan, the brother, he donates so many pizzas for brother breaking fast, mashallah, and continues to do that, inshallah.
Okay, good.
Jazakallah khair.
All right.
Thank you for your
I'm happy with it. I'll be back. I'll be back. I'm not Arnold Schwarzenegger, but I'll be back.
Okay, now Imam, what do you think, Sheikh?
MashaAllah, Hajji. Yani for a long time, Hajji, I haven't tried this pizza like this one before.
Mashallah, mashallah.
MashaAllah.
Okay, good.
Very nice, brother. Jazakallah khair.
Very good.
Jazakallah khair.
So far, good review. Now we have to hear from the young people. That's very important. They are the people who push their parents to go to places like this. Now, Hamza, tell your opinion, the truth, please. Honest opinion.
It's very good. I like the pizza, but I think the steak is the best.
Steak is the best. So remember, James, buy him steak next time, all right? Okay. Now, Zuleika, Sister Zuleika is a frequent patron of this restaurant. What is your opinion?
Oh, definitely. I'm here at least 3 times a week, and as a busy working girl, I can ring Joey up, and I have a beautiful home cooked meal, and I don't even have to wash the dishes up.
Okay, good. Now you heard it from all of them. Alhamdulillah, there's one chap, a German. He's from Germany. How do you say delicious in German?
Das hier ist sehr, sehr gutes Essen.
Ah.
Ich habe schon viel gutes Essen vorher gehabt. I've had great food before. A lot of pizzerias in Germany, a lot of Italian people. But this pizza is above them all.
MashaAllah,
Pretty happy that these
mashallah.
guys brought me here.
Okay, there you have it. You got the review. So you know where to come next time? Is Bonus Brothers, which is in Churn Park. And look for the chef Joe. If he's not there, look for Afshin. Alright, Afshin is still available. He's not very still available. Any ladies or parents who are looking for potential husband for their daughters, is there available, alright? And Joe, it was a pleasant day today and we all enjoyed the food. Alhamdulillah, may Allah bless you, the establishment. And personally, I also enjoyed making the pizza and eating it as well. So Alhamdulillah, to show our appreciation on behalf of the Baba's Halal Kitchen, we have a small token appreciation. Young man, come on now, please. Young man, come on. Okay, Jazakallah khair. Thank you. All right. Here, we're going to present an appreciation award on behalf of Baba's Halal Kitchen. Here, to Bonus Brothers. Okay, and remember to hang it on the wall. So all my clients out there, whoever see this on the wall, you're rest assured the food is delicious. All right? Make sure. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.